Let me show you how to design music cover art in few minutes. This is Oped Graphics, where we teach you how to use your smartphone to design. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. So the very first thing you are going to do is to bring in your design background. Click on these two rounded square representing your background. So once you click on it, you bring your background from gallery. So once you click on from gallery, here is from gallery here. You select your image. Here is the image I'm using, a red background with some noise. So once you activate it, you know the right thing to do. You must delete this default new text. So now let's head on to delete and delete off this new text. Now, after bringing in the background for your design, you are to bring in the main image. Remember, we are designing a music cover art. So you are going to click on this hexagonal shape here. Up we have import. So here is import here. So click on import and then select your image. You click on done. So here is the perfect image that we are using, but I need to rescale by holding this edge and dragging it downward. So adjust and place it where you want it to be. After adjusting and placing it where you want it to be, I will suggest that you lock it down by clicking on your layer tab and lock it down. Here is your layer tab. Click on it and then click on lock icon so that your image will not move whenever your hand touches it. So now we want to create a blurry effect from the right hand side of the image. Now the secret to this is just to use your photo room to create a motion blur before importing. Now let me import it and let's see how it is. This is the image. I have already created it using photo room. If you need a guide on how to create this motion blur effect on photo room, you can refer to our video on how to create a blur effect in photo room. So I need to adjust some things here, so I have to have the final result balanced. So what will I do? I will head on to erase tool. So you are going to select this tool known as eraser. Here is the tool. So once you click on eraser, you are going to have the image displayed, but you need to adjust few things at the top here, which is your opacity and the size of your eraser. So now let me show you this. This is this opacity and here is the size of your eraser. So I'm going to adjust the opacity to the last part, and then my brush tool, I will increase the size a bit, then I'll rub off the first part from the left. So once I achieve that, I'll activate my design by clicking on this activate button. So once I activate it, it brings me back to my design, but this is not done. I need to stretch it a bit. So move the image right and then drag it out like this, not too much, not too less. So you are going to place it exactly on the image. Can you see? If it is too much and it is blocking the eye, you can go back to your eraser tool and do the necessary adjustment. So this is what you are going to have. It gives us a blurry motion effect. So I need to lock that one also, and then I proceed to the opacity of that image, that blurry, stretchy image over the normal image. So this is opacity here, and then once I click on opacity, I'll reduce it a bit. Can you see? So around 93 is okay for this. Then what next? I need to bring in the two icons on the right. So you use your import again to import your element into your design. So I've downloaded all the resources. You must have done that. So here is the first one. I bring it in. I'm just using this just like a record label stuff. This is a music cover art. So I bring it here. I can use the grid lines to adjust and check if my design is on the right spot. So the next thing is to bring in the second icon using this same layer. So tap on your screen once and make sure that nothing is activated. Then you click on import once again. So once you click on import once again, you are going to head on to where the icon is and select, then click on done. So once you do that, you have to activate your image and then you resize it. If you notice, this music icon or effect is very close to red color. So what will I do? I will scroll upward under this hexagonal tool which represents your image, and I'll go to color. So click on color and then activate or enable as you want. Now after enabling it, it will change automatically to red. So you're going to scroll upward and then swipe your color options until you have your white. So click on white and then tap on this activate button. After clicking on activate button, you can use your navigation tool, up, down, left, right, for positioning. Then you can use it to adjust it a bit. So after doing that, you tap your screen once again. You see what we have. So what do you do now? You type the text, the title of the music, which is breathe. So you are going to manipulate the text. So click on letter A as one of the tools, then tap on text. So once you tap on text, you are going to edit it right here by clicking the edit icon here. So once you click on the edit icon, you erase or clear off the default text. After clearing off the default text, you type in capital letter, uppercase, breathe. Click on done and click OK. However, we want to change the dimension. You rotate gradually until you have something like this. So move it and then adjust the position. After adjusting the position, we need to give it the font. Under this same tool, you scroll upward until you have font. So once you get to where font is, you click on font. So select font. Once you select font, so you are going to locate my font. So after scrolling to where the font is, I'm using this font, Lovely. Ensure that you are using the correct font that has the right permission. Now, we need a little manipulation here. BRE will be at the top, ATHE will be at the back. Now, what do? I duplicate my design or my text layer by going to copy. Then I click on copy. Once I click on copy, it becomes two. Now, I will make sure one is BRE and one is ATHE. So this is what I will do. I will edit it. Then I'll clear off BRE in this one. Click OK. Bring it here exactly. Then I'll click the first one to and edit it again. Then I'll leave BRE. So then we have the complete word back again. So then we can now do our little manipulation by sending this one to the back under the tool A. You see, you can scroll upward. You have to front, you have to back. Here is to back. So once you click on to back, it will send it to the back. So this brief also need a little manipulation, so that your flower can be over it. So what do? I go on under the same A tool, I scroll by clicking the text layer I want and then scrolling upward until I have mask. Now this mask, you need to be careful. After clicking it, it will display automatically and then disappear. But you need to scroll upward to where your positioning is. Here is where positioning of your mask layer is. So you click on it. After clicking on it, then you can now adjust where this stuff goes. So let's move it like this until we have something perfect. You can then do some little adjustments, maybe changing the brightness of your background a bit and adding some little contrast so that it can appear perfectly. You click on this part and then you can click on save as image.